Hello internet friends, in this video I am continuing the work on the left wing. I actually wrote it on the wing, so now I can remember which wing I'm working on. The real problem is they both look the same, and when you read the plans it actually starts with the left wing, so luckily I built the right wing first because all the positions are reversed for the parts. Why they couldn't just make another page that said left and right wing, I don't know. They want you to, it's a trick, not a trick, it's a test. Are you able to do spatial orientation? So my plan was to Quico all of the ribs to the spar, and then there's some match drilling that needs to happen, because some of the ribs are attached with bolts as well as rivets. In this process, I did find my missing rib that I thought I had misplaced or broke or something, but I had really just labeled it incorrectly, so I found it. But I already opened that crate of parts and dimpled and primed another rib, so now I have a spare rib prepared. Let's see what else. Unfortunately, I have to travel for a few days for work, so won't be able to continue until this weekend building. But my plan is this weekend to finish riveting these ribs, and maybe I'll even get the spar on and the skins and be have a whole wing because the leading edge is complete. So that would be nice to have another wing done and be on to the fuselage. Yeah, I actually installed more lights. I don't know if you can tell, but Harbor Freight had a sale on lights, shop lights. They were $15 each, so I bought 6 of them. So I basically doubled the amount of light in my garage, which is great because as I've configured the tables and taken up more space, like places where I was previously working have become, well, full of stuff, as you can see in the back. Really should clean that up. But the table that I use now is positioned in a place that had no light, so you can never have enough light when you're working on this stuff. Let's see, the other thing I need to do is our EAA chapter decided to apply for one of the EAA scholarships, so I need to finish that application because it's due by the 31st. That gives, if awarded, the chapter up to $12,000 to sponsor a kid for flight training. And since we had 17 kids show up at our Young Eagles event, and we took a chapter inventory at the last meeting, and we have a bunch of CFIs and a flight school owner and a bunch of retired military people, we decided we should just go for the scholarship and try to mentor somebody through flight training this year. So that's exciting, but it's up to me to submit the application, so I need to finish writing that this week. But since I won't be building and I'll just be traveling for work, I should have enough time to write that up and get it submitted. So if you are also building, or you're part of an EAA chapter, or you're curious about flight training, that's not, our Slack really isn't the one for flight training, but we're happy to answer any questions. Scan the QR code and we'll see you there, and see you in the next video.